Hi there, I'm going to talk to you about how to program color palettes. Color palettes are used so that you could program your fixtures fast. So when you have a color palette, you can choose the colors immediately rather than scrolling your wheels here. So you have the palettes here, so you can actually start programming all your colors into these palette buttons. So these are your attributes, your color attribute, your beam shape and your position. So we are just doing one of the palettes. We have three palettes. We have color palette, beam shape palette and the position palette. So for the color palette, this is how we go about doing creating colors for all the fixtures into a palette. So make sure that you're in the program mode. Select fixtures. Select, say, the MAC 550s, home those fixtures, select the color, say we choose red, so we're going to make a red color palette first, okay, and then we go back to fixtures, we unselect those fixtures, select the MAC 250s, go back to color, you go back to fixtures and you home those fixtures, go back to color and you choose red for that too. Okay, you scroll the wheels until you're doing this so that you don't have to do that next time. Next, go back to fixtures, unselect the MAC 250s, go and select the MAC 600s, go to color, and we will fixtures and we'll home those fixtures, go back to color, and we'll try to get a red by bringing up the magenta and the yellow. Next, we will go back to fixtures, unselect those MAC 600, select the MAC 2000, home those fixtures, and go to color and do the same. Okay, bring up the magenta and the yellow. Once you have done all that, what we have to do now is actually select all the fixtures. So if I go back to fixtures and I select all these fixtures, okay, select all the fixtures that I have, okay, go back to your color palette, press where you want that red color to be. So I would want it to be in the first button on the color palette. Click on that and I press the store button. Immediately you'll see the color 1 being portrayed in it. Okay, so you'll see color 1 and color 1 will be red. You can actually name those palettes. That's another video. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to program a magenta on the next color palette. Now, how do you do that? We go back to fixtures, unselect all the fixtures except for the MAC 2000s, okay, because we are doing fixture group by group, okay. So go to color and choose the color that you want. So say it's going to be a magenta. So a magenta like that. Next, unselect those fixtures, select the MAC 550s, go back to color, choose magenta, go back to fixtures, unselect those, go back to the MAC 600, choose color, take the magenta out, go back to fixtures, unselect the MAC 600, select the MAC 2000, go to color and get the magenta again. Now what you do is you select all the fixtures in all the pages, go to color, select a location where you want that color magenta to be and press that and press your store button. So now what we have actually done is create two colors. One is red, the other one is magenta. So we could select any fixture, and when you press a color, it will turn to that particular color through the palette. So if I go now and bring all the faders down, unselect, untag all the fixtures, and unselect those fixtures, and say if I just chose two 2000s and two max 600s, I home these fixtures, go to color, and if I just select that color, it will be magenta. If I select the other color, it will be red. Thank you very much. I hope now you'll be faster in programming your scenes using palettes. Thank you.